You willing to make cocktails? All right. Well, welcome to bar school. My name is Beau Robinson, and I poured Michael Keaton a drink one time. We're going to start out with one of the oldest recipes around, the Gin Martini. Now, the Gin Martini dates back to before World War I, when an Italian immigrant bartender by the name of Martini claimed ownership to a drink that was both equal parts dry gin and dry vermouth with a couple dashes of orange bitters. Truth is, the origins of the Martini and its inventor are all speculation, and the drink has changed dramatically since, but the name remains the same. Since the Martini's been self-proclaimed, I want to invite you all along in making the first ever Gin Botini. The Gin Botini has two main ingredients, dry gin and dry vermouth. Start out by grabbing your Botini glass. Put just a dash of dry vermouth in this. Set it to the side. And grab your mixing glass and fill it with ice. Add 3 ounces of Tanqueray gin. Grab your bar spoon, and we're gonna stir this about 40 times, yielding about an ounce of water. When you're done stirring, grab your Botini glass and rinse the vermouth around the edges. Dump it out. Grab your strainer, and you're gonna strain this gin right into the Botini glass. And that's just the bare bones to the Gin Botini. If you want to get creative, add a twist. Add an olive, add an onion, and change the name of the drink completely to a Gibson. And if somebody wants a dirty Botini, you're just gonna give them a little bit of olive juice, anywhere from a ½ ounce to a full ounce, depending on how filthy they want it. My name is Beau Robinson. This is Bar School, and I want you to tune in next time when we collude with Russia on the Moscow Mule. Thanks.